Welcome to our Spalangi Show.
Right.
On VTFM
Facebook page and VTFM YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Subscribe, guys. And mataka ni baka dami singin ko. Yaw Mika Galumbula.
Engonde misi kakaya.
Good morning to those tuning in from the traffic jam. Follow different route this morning. Suba Nosori corridor, Suba Lautoka, Lautoka Nandi and Nandi, Nandi Lautoka, Lautoka Mba. A very good morning to you.
Ngango serua mastasamu Lasaro Moje Mori.
Right.
Ulai Titimo. Dinen Kumar.
Right.
And not forgetting Nanangobu Basukimbure.
Right.
Jean Tilal.
Yo.
Thank you very much. And not forgetting Kini Masirewa.
Right.
Bunisaka Raboka. This is from the family.
Right.
This morning.
This one woke up from the GPH. Oro modelu tu langi-langi and Samuel Adava. Nominee IO 463. Thank you so much for tuning in. Nickname Dina Tunga.
We say good morning to one of our brothers tuning in from his taxi. LT 123.
1230.
Right.
1230. Baby Doves. Brother, what's
the name? What's the name?
Poppy Park.
Boleh binaka. To girls only taxi.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
Kita berbanding siko en very kordibuli. Bikin ni nangkas dibuli ni tu mate boli.
Right.
Intang tahu tempat bali nama takkan dikuah, boli bola ni anda binaka nama takkan go.
Dilesenya.
Kalau ni salah.
Iya.
Ni may tao siko pun traffic jam.
Don binaka.
Siko bibi na nomor bibi so tiru buli tikina.
Iya.
Terus apa ni na tos binaka so binaka gay.
Right.
Ada buli gravita beri siko.
One thing it's good about the Manole, no traffic jam in the morning. No traffic jam in the afternoon. Especially Lambasat to Samsung.
How did you know?
No, because I can just imagine sitting down here and imagine the Hibiscus Highway flows.
That's what we call the gas line in life. Gastric ko rin ang unuan po sugo.
No, I want to ask you, there is traffic jam there in the Hibiscus Highway?
We are both staying here in Vitilevu. I don't know.
Oh, you have to know.
How I know?
Because you're from there.
Yeah, because we stay here.
Why?
Because of jobbing.
The mesir mon dava somindi.
Right.
Mon kasi tahun dua. Wei kumana?
Him.
The smallest organism living in life slowly move from one place to another. Is a snail.
Okay.
Snail.
Snail.
Because they don't have a leg.
Right.
How
they move?
They're using their mop.
Mop, boy.
Na yaban rea. They katuna mop.
Right.
They
mopping.
Slippery. They mopping the floor till where they reach. They can't even trespass on one. Nandrabusa.
Oi.
Oi.
Jump.
They
can jump.
They can jump. Because they are very itchy when they pass Sanrabusa. That's why you see people. You see people. Some people where you plant a vegetable. Where there is
leafy.
There is Konanrabusa. Bukan kama. It's very healthy. The plants it's very healthy. The abroad leaves coming from there because snail can pass through to eat the leaves.
That's why they put it on Ramsa.
They put it on Ramsa because when they pass there, they can because they suwa na puno rambutuka.
Right.
It's very slippery when wet.
Right.
Wet place. But they can pass the emosibeira, but it's very itchy. And the kati beira.
Okay.
So when they itchy like this, how they will act?
They'll contain themselves into their cell.
Okay.
Salah junior boleh lai tambah-tambah dong boleh bilang mati tambah-tambah and also to the bula bolas too. This is a team from Takuan Labo.
Okay.
They are joining from the ground this morning.
Okay.
Bikin menongon hal ke borong sumai abu bateke lewa. Kira-kira nram sakit siguri balen don bita senlonga.
Saya dimitri sana.
Bita kunta koso.
Taser na koli.
Okay.
Buah babas kam.
Okay. There's we matagali mati to weekend, right? So na mati musi.
Right.
Na mati taba we komanda nga don mati sa sengasar nga di binaka to weekend.
Heaviness.
Please.
There's no sickness in our life.
Yeah.
Nobody loves sickness.
Yeah.
Sickness is a very...
It's easy.
It's not good. It's not good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it destroys you spiritually.
Yeah.
Really volatile.
Yeah.
When your body does not work properly,
Yeah.
you spiritually
Yeah.
will be, it's not 100% sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
You physically
Yeah.
and you mentally.
Right.
You can work properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because your everything is become a dull moment.
Dirasar.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
if you want to move
Yeah.
from one place to another,
Yeah.
you need to be healthy.
Yeah.
It sounds...
No, you answer the question.
I'll come there.
Yeah.
Mambala putunin ko medo mana punogor.
Yeah. Because there are a few more questions coming up. Don't beat around the bush and you.
Yeah.
Nani sele wandreu se.
Okay, one of them is toothache. Kaya no mucho na tukro mo kay.
Toothache.
Yeah.
This one time the fella never come to work. You know.
Yeah.
We wait for him then he didn't come.
Yeah.
Because he got the heaviness.
O tua.
That's one painful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mai.
The toothache.
Yeah.
The toothache is because Mika will know the heaviness because I never feel that,
Yeah.
I never come there.
Okay, ito na matimus. Ito na musin ba? Ito na
Right.
matimus nga.
Yeah.
Another one,
The ear pain.
Right, Mai.
Daw mo silang talinga during our 2 weeks break.
Yeah.
When we go to bathing.
Yeah.
There is sometimes we are swimming, we play
Okay.
Right.
during our swimming.
Nunu.
Yeah, we go into the level. Sometime when we reach a level during Kilbert.
Yeah.
Mandali baba na kina.
Yeah.
Si
You breathe.
Huh?
Breathe.
Breathe melaw tu na kuna. We going down. Sometimes the pressure of the water cause explode.
Yeah.
Dukatan boten dalinganda.
Right.
Sometimes the blood come there because of the pressure of the water.
Yeah.
Sometimes that cause the painful, and also the coldness that cause a painful in the ear.
Right.
Right.
Anything close to the head,
Yeah.
that is very pain.
Ano na katapala kini yan?
If you got an injury eyes
Yeah.
close to the head, pain.
Yeah.
If ears, tooth, and everything close to the head,
Yeah.
it's very pain.
Okay, I'm sorry to ask you this question and
No, that's it, sorry.
Can I ask the question, Mika?
Yeah, ask.
Okay.
When salam mo said, mosi ninduru.
Mosi ninduru.
Right. Okay, don't
Knee
tell
pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Natapon-napuna, and when we are sick, we go to the hospital.
Yeah.
And the nurse, nakapakita nung ita weekend.
Right.
Santa ko lang, bunuay, sa rekomenda ka mayo,
Bunuay. Yeah.
Mosan lay dula. Why do we always get the injection on the
Backside.
On the right.
Iyo.
Because it's a very, and daw lang ana puno malum.
Okay.
We only can inject the atmospheric
Yo.
sideways.
Why
Okay.
backside?
Don't tell me
Why backside and not the front side?
Who will be there? The strong is the front side.
No.
The back side because the figure is there.
Okay.
Oi.
Yeah. Epono malumu.
Right.
Because
Right.
you can give a injection close to straight to the bone.
In front.
But you sometimes call yourself boneless.
Boneless gorilla chicken feet.
Don't you think don't you can even my boneless.
Boneless gorilla na nanduna. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how. Because side is a middle of our body.
Oh,
Oi.
the center of that gravity.
Yeah, the center of your gravity.
All right.
Right.
So,
okay.
if pen goes down, pen goes up,
Yeah.
you put it there close to the heart where everything is pumping.
Okay,
close.
so you said nakuno malumo.
Right.
Why do we call girls sometimes iko mata malumo?
Why?
Why?
Because of the dirtiness in our mind.
Oi.
Na yang gona Sibia. Na beka da badur mutu na isoko ni yang gona. And everything. That's why we are
only you.
No, that's us.
No.
Okay, sa kira-kira mo, kita na mo bunuay.
Iya.
Ini ada binaka. All the doctors
Doctors
around the country.
Right.
If you see them as come in there one time,
Yeah.
kaya kayo mo siya nang gabaga, please, dali tulam yan, lakas sarang nang gabaga.
Please be careful, doctor.
Iya.
We can be a doctor. I'm a herbal medicine doctor. Yeah. We can get because imagine if you inject something in your head.
Yeah.
Head is a very skullful.
May boleh nga kinuha ni Mati, nakin takos.
Because a skull is there.
Iya.
Skull.
Wala may sama ka ng garintaling ni sangkar ro.
Karantali ka melutulan tuli. Kanggur sana kain bikin lo kena itu lo kan buli amai China. Na butuh serius. Mana bilang na Mari Sevens kerto boys sama hindi kita lang na team ini Hong Kong Sevens matalakin na Nrua. Yan na sota patikin na team ni Foss. Pinabali besar rabi kim do na ngonela kim do na ngone marama. Thank you very much.
Iyo, nito ko na ka ni malum.
Iya, boneless.
Basta mo rin na ngonela, mata malum. Ito lang matandra.
Iya, matoka dan ni nauti nga ni tabut napuno tabut kay na matamlo sabi na kacerta na bidula. Nani si Lewan Reu, Senia. Kita kaya dari bunuan dari ni na sinanguna. Oh, Memsi Corvo, boneless na to KJ Sebura. Isa. Penesa lang mo.
Ano na tapal mo boy liku. Na sabi to ka di buli may na mata di kuha.
Right.
Kaya dito ko ano binaka. Talo singa ni bidol ko te bisa na mata ko.
Penesa lang mo ito mo kay isa wa sa mata kasar nga na siya ko kumdobol kan lawdong kakina. Kaya nga imbani wala nga na puno ako. Batu ka leba isa. Dong mula binaka na wekan ibu bale sa matong may batu ka.
Right.
Inabali usara.
Meron lagi.
Tahun mereka kira binaka na koro raki koro.
Bo na koro utang batu na nakauban range.
Na koro range, right?
May isa na kando batu ka. Sa nandun ning gomania ba?
Ya.
O tikino to kay malo.
Kaya bala man niya ba you go.
No renga bangor dito bangko na nakauban range.
Kaya bala net man niya bala stel bangko e media. Nilok.
Iyo lakon barut.
Lako ni bunuh
Iyo barut. Iyo.
Sanje.
Kaya bala ko listal bangko lako ni bunuh.
Iyo mo ni panua.
Uy.
Niko dito lo men tonong ne kitolititi.
Iyo.
Kitolititi ang galeri tu kinangani bibili ngo uli pun wasar ngidaki.
Iyo.
Au sabang redar kara nang kasili we.
Iya.
Roja beren basanga ngo na mata timin ni natabu tu teu.
Bula.
Natakolobo.
Iyo natakolabo.
Iya.
Korto na kenalingan ni bengkara.
Ano matakan?
Bau ni bila katu na mata timin ni takolabo ngo na mbula boles. Mbula boles batu koro. Mata timin may nausori nalawara. Bau ni bila kana mata timin ni mbula boles takolabo. Binabali usara ba itabi tiyo na Mari Sevens kabasa bulu kadiwa ni Mari Sevens.
Dapat kami nak kena bukti besok main nonton koro.
Right.
Ersa may bagay tabi tiyo na satu libu.
Grassroots level.
Ito orang itu kami ni kada kalalay.
Right.
Ersa tala teno irando gitu main koro sa.
Ato talata kentungo.
Tala kentungo.
Iya.
Sarang doon mga main na dorbo kena. Itabong one.
Iya.
Sabi ni binaka may kimdo yana buni gitu ni singa di kuah.
Right.
Kita kiri singa baruay.
Wana nabu.
Doon mo binaka.
Keto mi kitu sada
Kali
ba?
place tadi ruah.
Dona ka.
Mau di binaka.
Mula binaka, binabali usara. Roja beren basanga au bu.
Iya.
Anda binaka,
Ano likes? Sheta ka na live video ngono page on page ko lena. Mer maro ta talaga ni mo na bindan rabaki.
Ngai iyo, setaka na itokan don bengkrabi.
Kurung mundo ko.
Ya mi kan galon bula.
Gonde Messi.
Next time, sa TV ko na soso sembo
Iya.
sa dula.